What places are in a farm? We have a pond, a barn, a chicken coop, a doghouse, a stable, a pig pen. Where does the horse go? In the stable. Where does the cow go? In the barn. Where does the pig go? In the pig pen. Where does the sheep go? In the barn. Where does the donkey go? In the stable. Where does the goat go? In the barn. Where does the goose go? In the pond. Where does the duck go? In the pond. Where does the chicken go? In the chicken house. Where does the rooster go? In the chicken house. Where does the turkey go? In the barn. Where do the ducks go? In the pond. Where do the chicks go? In the chicken house.